guys, welcome to my channel. This is Lorena. In today's video, we'll be doing this beautiful laser lights balloon decoration video. Yes, please like and subscribe. So, of course guys, the materials that we are needing are scissors, yarn, balloon pump, and white balloons. So the size of the balloon that I will be using is 25 centimeters. So yes. That one. Just all white balloons that I'm going to pump. You can use whatever balloons that you like to put it under the table. I will show you the balloons that I already pumped back there. So I already pre-pumped the balloon, so you just pump everything in. There's clear balloon there and matte white. So actually my husband pumped the balloon for me, and yeah, it's doing a great job. As you can see, there is string. Yeah. So I'm going to like tie the string here. Loop it twice. And then now you can readjust this sizing of the string, so make a little bit down. Just keep holding these strings here and adjust it. Oh man, should I wear my bangles? That one. So that's what it looks like so far, guys. So I already put string around this side, and I leave a gap about nearly 12 inches gap, so that we're going to drop all the balloons on this gap. And then guys, on the front of the table I will be using this acrylic. So this material right here, people use it for the roof, for you have this clear vision for the roof, for lighting, I guess. And that's what I'm going to use in the front of this table to cover the front. I will be using a hook and loop fastening tape. This one is like a velcro kind of material, and I will stick it on here. So hey guys, now I'm done doing the caging under the table right here. So I'm done attaching the acrylic, and then under the table I'm done set upping the light for tonight. So I'm already done set up the light. I have the LED lights down there and 2 laser lights. So tonight we'll be doing a light show kind of decoration. So I have all the balloons next to me right now. So all the balloons are here. So now let's start putting all this balloon under the table. Put everything in there. Yeah. That's so cute. I'm not sure if I have enough balloon, but if not, we'll pump more. My helpmate, balloon more please. Yeah. That's the soft one, that's a matte one. So tonight that will be look beautiful because we have a light going on. So guys, we are needing a white tablecloth to put on top of the table because this theme right here is mostly white, but the color later on will be just the laser lights and also the LED lights that I put under the table. So it's just all white tablecloth, and also we are needing a sewing pins. So again, measurements will be listed down in the description box. Also all the materials and what size of this acrylic material that I put on this side of the table to make our balloon will be look like a cage under the table. So yes. So we'll show you again the balloon situation down there. So yeah. Do a fold. Same on this side. Fold. Just make sure that the balloon is the main decoration. So just grab this one, just like a square. Secure this one by pinning on this side. So that's the situation of the table right now on the daytime. But tonight that will be look beautiful because of the LED lights that I'm going to turn it on. Yes. Nothing going on the backdrop because tonight I will be using a projector for the celebrant's backdrop. Right. That's it.